Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the trailer fuses and relays are located on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find them. We'll talk about that. Please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be quite simple fix. And if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses and relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So the trailer fuses, where and relays, where you can expect to find them. Come guys, we'll show you on that generation GMC Terrain. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood, facing the engine here on the right side. This is the driver's side. Next to the brake fluid reservoir is the main engine fuse box. Here you have a clip and one here, 2 clips. Release them, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly guys why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, right here now, okay, what we need to check specifically for the trailer lights, trailer fuses, okay, we'll need to start checking 3 different components, guys. You wonder where they're located. Okay, the first one is known as fuse number 18. You see that 15M fuse, that's fuse number 18 right here that we need to check. Then we need to check fuse number 22. That's that fuse right here. After that we need to locate fuse number 25, which is right here. So we have these 2 fuses and that fuse here. What about relays? You don't have relays. You have only these fuses that are known as relay fuses. If you still have problems with it, you may want to check the BCM fuses, and if you don't know where they're located, we'll have the video on the channel for your help. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.